Hi fam, welcome back. Today I share with you how I made this awesome cereal called granola. You can make this now that prices of food has gone high. You can make this at home by yourself and save extra bucks. I mean extra money. Okay, so keep watching to see how I made this. Okay. To begin, I will introduce you to my ingredients. So the full recipe or the full ingredients will be listed in description box. So make sure you check that out if you are planning to make this for your family. So I have some cashew nuts, some almond nuts, some groundnuts, even though it is not shown in this part of the video, but I will later be adding that. Some raisins, some coconut oil, honey, rolled oats, some chia seeds, and some coconut flakes. So let's begin. I'll start by chopping up my nuts. I'm starting with cashew nuts. You can chop these, or if you already have a chopped one, you can use that as well. So I'm going to chop this, chop on my nuts, keep them aside. So keep watching. So once I was done chopping my nuts, I'm going to start by mixing all the ingredients all in one bowl. So in my bowl, I'm adding some rolled oats. So I'm going to add my almond nuts. Then I'll go in with my cashew nuts, some salt, some honey. I'll add in the coconut oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice, okay? Then I'll go in with my honey. Add your honey to your taste, okay? You can always adjust the ingredients depending on the quantity you are making. So I'm going to go in with my chia seeds. Then I will mix that. I won't be adding the raisins now. I'm going to add it after I'm done baking this, because if you add the raisins now, it's going to come out bad when you're done baking. So just make sure you mix this very well. Mix it very well. Make sure that everything is well combined before you spread it out on your baking pan. So once I was done mixing, I spread it out on a baking pan. So make sure this is evenly spread out. That way the heat can circulate very well on it and roast it very well. So once I was done spreading it out, I place it in the oven. My oven is already heated at 180 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to be baking this for 15 to 30 minutes depending on the capacity of your oven. Okay, so keep watching. If you've watched up to this stage, I believe you're enjoying this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. So guys, my granola was ready. I took it down from the oven and allowed it to cool before adding the raisins. So that way the raisins doesn't damage on heat. So I also added some roasted groundnut to it, and that is just me being extra. Anyways, you can always add anything you want to add. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. What do you like to enjoy your granola with? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.